Alice, I have a really, really big sad problem.
What's wrong, Uncle Max?
Robert is with another man.
Again?
Yes. Wait, what do you mean again?
Well, he was with that guy the other day at the mall.
But that was the only guy I saw him with.
And then he was with that construction worker.
Construction worker? What the fuck are you talking about?
There was a construction worker who came over to the house last Friday. I heard moaning.
No, not my Robert.
Uncle Max, he's a fucking whore!
I thought what we had was special.
Uncle Max, you think you and a stick have something special.
But the stick loves me.
He's your sticky friend, I know. But Uncle Max, you're gonna make me... Oh God, I'm crying now.
I'm so alone.
No one will love me.
Ash does, doesn't he?
The fuck was Ash?
Why does nothing make sense anymore?
Flibber flabber hibber lubber lubber lubber. Who can stop noises?
Not your language, miss.
I'm a biscuit.
Fucking hell, Alice.
I want to be a biscuit so bad.
If I was a cat, I could do anything I want.
Even lick your own testicles.
Even lick my own testicles.
Dream on, Uncle Max. Dream on. Dream big or go home.
I am cat.
Wait, I am a cat. Holy shit.
Bananas.
I'm living your dream, Uncle Max.
Stop stealing my dreams.
I'm not stealing your dream. I didn't steal Robert from you.
You stole my cat.
But I was born this way.
You ate my potato.
I'm sorry. It looks so delicious.